Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute mini garland last minute for Easter. We will create this super cute bunny, and then you can hang them to a piece of cord like this one, and you can hang them around your house. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute and easy bunny. We will need a template, and you can find this template on my blog. I will put a link below below this video, so you can grab your template. Now with the template you will need to cut before the template, and then we will need to put the template on a piece of paper, and with a pair of scissors we will need to cut our bunny. Quite easy, and it's a super cute last minute paper craft creation for this Easter. Okay, now we will need to cut this part of the bunny. Okay, voila. And here our super cute bunny. Now for the tail of the bunny we will use a pompom that I bought in a €1 shop. I bought this kind of pompom, and they come in different color, and then we will glue with some tacky glue our tails. Voila. Here, press down, leave it to dry for some minutes, and then you can hang your super cute bunny with, like I did it, with a peg. We will put and attach our, voila, with a peg. Here your super cute last minute paper creation. It's quite funny, and if you want you can use this bunny also as a home decor in another way. You can glue them to some wooden stick, or to other things, or to the window. Is up to you. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.